Hello everybody and welcome to Speak Accounting, where in this video I will be talking about the accounting equation, the simple accounting equation and the expanded version of the accounting equation. First we have to know that the accounting equation is a simple thing, but also crucial. It's one of the most important things when it comes to accounting because it has to be balanced at all times. So let's see what is the accounting equation. As you can see here, assets equal liabilities plus owner's equity. Now assets is what you got, liabilities is what you owe, and owner's equity is what's left for you. It's as simple as that. So your assets must be equal to your liabilities and your owner's equity combined. On the other hand, when we talk about the expanded accounting equation, you can see assets equal liabilities. Now owner's equity in the expanded equation is owner's capital minus owner's drawings plus revenue minus expenses. Let me give you an example. Let's say you have assets 10,000, liabilities 3,000. What is your owner's equity? Now according to the simple accounting equation, it's assets equal liabilities plus owner's equity, which means mathematically if your assets is 10,000 and your liabilities is 3,000, what's left is your owner's equity, which in this case is going to be 7,000. I made this table right here to show you how does it work, and I will be giving you an example soon so you can understand better. So here we have our 10,000 assets, 3,000 liabilities, and here we have our 7,000 owner's equity, or in this case it's a capital. As you can see here, this is the asset part and this is the liabilities and the owner's equity part, and it's balanced. Now let's have an example to understand how things work in the accounting equation. It's going to be simple. Let's first say that we have sales revenue of 2,000. Now when you have a revenue of 2,000, for example, I will drop here a journal entry. Let's say debit and credit. Okay, so if we have a sales revenue of 2,000, our debit side, let's say that we sold in cash. Our debit side is going to be cash, and our credit side is going to be sales revenue. 2,000, 2,000. Now, under which account does cash falls? It's an asset, and sales revenue is a revenue account. Now, let's see how this is going to affect our accounting equation on this table. So we have an asset which is on the debit side, which is cash, by 2,000, which means plus 2,000 on the asset side. And we have a revenue of 2,000, and as you can see here, revenue increased the equation. So we come here and we say plus 2,000. And as you can see here, 2,000 on the asset side and 2,000 on the owner's equity side, which makes the equation balance again. Let's take the second example. We have an expense of 1,500. Let's say we paid rent, and let's say we paid it in cash. Let's add our debit and credit side. When you pay in cash, you lost your cash. So the account must be decreased by the amount, which is 1,500. So we're going to put cash on the credit side, and we're going to put the expense, which is rent expense in this case, on the debit side. 1,500, 1,500. Now the rent expense is an expense account, and the cash is an asset account. Now let's see how does it affect the equation. Okay, so now we credited our asset account by 1,500, so that's a minus 1,500. And as you can see here in the expanded accounting equation, expenses decrease the owner's equity. And we have here a rent expense 1500, so we come to expenses minus 1500, and as you can see here, here's the asset side, here's the owner's equity side, and the equation is balanced. And as you can see, here's why it matters, knowing that the equation is like having a financial GPS. It guides your decisions, helps you check your business health, and lets you talk numbers with anyone. Okay everybody, that's the accounting equation, straightforward. If this helped you, I hope you'll hit the like button. This is my first video for my Speak Accounting blog, and I think I'll be posting more because I love doing this lovely beautiful thing, and I love explaining everything using Excel. So there will be a blog post about the accounting equation with a cheat sheet also uploaded on my website, so feel free to check. I'll leave the link in the description. I hope you understand, and I hope you found it helpful, and enjoy your time. Thank you.